Hello, this is algorithm 3, titled linear congruential. And what we're basically going to do is we're going to be converting, we'll have a random number generator, convert those to random variates of an exponential random distribution. Essentially, random variates are created by using that initial exponential function, inverting the cumulative distribution of that, and then using a random number generator to produce the random variates. So what we are given an A, an M, an A, and a C, as well as a seed. So we'll be finding the third random number, and then showing a histogram of 10,000 random numbers of this generator. So just going through the pseudocode, we have declared our variables. We have 10,000 iterations, a lambda equal to 1 for later. And our first x will be the seed. So we have a for loop here of I equals 2 to the number of iterations. And then we're going to find the remainder of this linear congruential here, divided by m, which was given. And in MATLAB I found that the mod function accomplishes this, takes the remainder of the a and the m in this function here. So we're going to use that function in MATLAB. And then we're going to return the third random number, convert the random number to an exponential random variate, and get the histogram, and then also just perform MATLAB integration just to solve for x and show you what that formula function is. So now I'm just going to go to MATLAB. I'll clear this out. And so I'm going to run this here code and show you our result. So as you can see here, this is our histogram of 10,000 random exponential numbers, and you can see it follows an exponential distribution. And down here we have our result of our third random number being 0.165. If I go up here, you can see that the third number in this array is also 0.165. So I mean that's correct. And just for the sake of it, I'll show you what it looks like before we convert it to an exponential random variate. And so we'll get this histogram here. That is using this hist, but this is the random uniform essentially. So that's all there. And then for the integration, I'll run this section, and it solves this function here for x, and we get this this answer. But this has been algorithm 3, linear congruential, and converting random numbers to random variates. Thank you for watching.